Netapp has acquired a company built for one specific job and is suggesting that it is actually a way into the cloud. And the deal is with Jetstream Software. But well, here is the deal before we get into the details of the Jetstream deal, which is the fact that Cypher, yes, India's biggest AI summit and expo, is back in its 10th edition. IBM Bob presents Cypher 2026, which makes it bigger than ever. It shall take place in October of this year. The venue is KTPO Bengaluru, and I know you're very serious about your AI and tech, which means you shall be there at IBM Bob Presents Cypher 2026. And now, let's get into what is Jetstream up and all about. Now, Jetstream specializes in disaster recovery and migration for VMware environments, and critically, it works with VMware workloads sitting on virtually any storage platform. Then, it recovers those workloads onto Netapp storage, including Azure Netapp files. That complements Netapp's existing SnapMirror replication technology. SnapMirror stays the go-to for Netapp native environments, while Jetstream extends that same coverage to VMware workloads running on someone else's storage. Now, Netapp is positioning disaster recovery as a low-friction way into the cloud. It is to protect VMware workloads with Jetstream first, then move production to the cloud whenever a company is actually ready, not on a timeline its infrastructure forces on it. CEO George Kurian tied this to how central data has become to business growth and AI work, and the need to keep it secure as disruption risks grow. Jetstream's own CEO said combining with Netapp's cloud storage and data services lets the technology reach a much bigger set of companies. This merger develops as enterprises keep running critical workloads on VMware, even while many are actively rethinking their infrastructure strategy. It also follows Netapp's acquisition of Data Pelago just last month, whose engine speeds up data processing for analytics and generative AI workloads. And here, of course, is the front page take. Now, the pattern here should be called out quite well specifically. Netapp is now trying to become the thing enterprises route their VMware and AI data through. No matter which cloud they eventually land on, buying its way into each step of that journey is smarter rather than building every piece itself. So, well then, that brings me to the question. Is stacking up acquisitions like this a genuinely coherent data platform strategy, or is Netapp just assembling a bigger toll booth on the road every VMware shop is going to travel anyway? What are your thoughts? Please do let us know in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the IIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.